The Parliamentary Manufacturing Group is currently undertaking an inquiry looking at UK industrial culture and competitiveness, and it has just launched its Call for Evidence document. The inquiry is being co-chaired by Conservative MP Chris White and Labour's Jonathan Reynolds. It's being generously supported by the Institution of Mechanical Engineers and M&W Group, and we're delighted to have the Manufacturer magazine on board as our media partner. So why are we looking at industrial culture? Well, since the very first days of the APMG, we've heard the word culture used repeatedly as an excuse as to why the UK manufacturing sector behaves in a particular way, and also why the relationship between UK manufacturing and the UK government brings out particular kinds of policy results. We've also heard the word culture used to compare the UK with the manufacturing environment in other nations. So, for example, people might say, oh, it's just the industrial culture in Germany for engineers to be more respected, something like that. So we thought this was a good opportunity to interrogate that issue a little bit, find out what industrial culture actually means, how it can be shaped, and perhaps how it can be changed so that the UK manufacturing sector can be more resilient and more competitive going forward. So that's from the very largest companies right through to the very smallest. So what is our call for evidence and how can people be involved? Well, if people go onto our brand new website, they can download the Call for Evidence document, and that lists a whole series of questions to which we're interested in hearing answers. They can then send in their submission to the APMG Secretariat at Policy Connect, where people's thoughts will become part of our research. You can also follow the inquiry on Twitter, and if you check back on the website, people can see our updates and how we're doing, and also they can sign up to the APMG newsletter. So now who are we hoping to hear from? Well, basically anybody with an interest in UK manufacturing. So obviously businesses themselves and people who work for manufacturing businesses, but also all those different kinds of organisations and individuals who support and advise manufacturing. So it might be trade associations, private sector bodies, lawyers, accountants, all those different kinds of people who interact with the UK manufacturing sector. Also people who buy from manufacturing, who sell to manufacturing, or also people who train for manufacturing, so FE colleges and universities. The response to the inquiry so far has been incredibly positive, and we're really looking forward to hearing what people out there have to say.